As excitement brews over the return of Big Ten football this weekend, 4 teams at Michigan State University today received the worst news possible.
Yeah, due to financial crunches, this will be the final season in East Lansing for swimming and diving.
Growing up in cold West Michigan, Shelby Lacey had plans to swim collegiately somewhere warm.
I ended up falling in love with the school, with the team, with the coaches, and I committed 2 days after that visit.
That was about a decade ago. She's since graduated and started her career. But when she heard the news on Thursday that MSU was eliminating all men's and women's swimming and diving varsity sports,
it was utter shock.
Eliminating college sports is not uncommon, unfortunately, since the pandemic struck, as athletic budgets get tighter and tighter. And even with football about to start back up, there is still a deficit in the budget in East Lansing.
Assuming that we play all 9 games, and assuming that every other Big Ten team plays all 9 games, because the TV revenue is an all-in proposition, we get 1/14 of the pool. Then that will help significantly. We will still be down somewhere in the neighborhood of $35 million.
According to the AD, MSU had a hard time keeping up with the competition due to its swimming and diving facilities.
To compete in the Big Ten in a competition pool, you've got a 25-yard pool that's typically 8 lanes. The Olympics compete in a 50-meter pool, and most recruited athletes who want to train for the Olympics as their end goal are looking for a 50-meter pool in which to do that.
And with the anticipated additional expenses to update the facilities on the horizon, Beekman said the question began to answer itself.
While other Big Ten universities had Olympic-sized pools, 12 lanes, all this space, when we had not even the bare minimum, but even less than that, and we managed.
An extraordinarily difficult decision. A very sad day for me personally, obviously for all of them and their coaches, and for Spartan Athletics. But I think at the end of the day, the right decision for Spartan Athletics.
The school will honor the scholarships for the swimmers and divers who want to stay and finish their degree, but that doesn't take away the sting of losing something so special to people like Shelby.
To currently be a swimmer or diver at Michigan State, or to have committed to go swim or dive there, and have it just taken away from them, I can't even imagine. My heart breaks for those students.
AD went on to say they never say never, but at this point they have no plans to make any other program cuts as they go forward at the school. The school says for the student athletes who choose to transfer, the university is offering to help with that transition as well.